Hello, this is Adam Byrne from CSC1A, and this is my skills demonstration for software architecture. So, in this test, I'm going to test a piece of software that has previously been created. My mouse is jittering in this again. I'm just after realizing, so bear with me with that. So I'm just going to go up here and okay, I can't really see this. Okay, sorry, I'm just trying to. Okay, so this is the first piece of software. So we're just going to click run here. So this program will find the average of four numbers, enter one number. So I'm just going to put in a 5, 6, 8, and 3. The average score is 3. So I'm just going to put this over here like so. Come down to Excel. Sorry again, my mouse is everywhere. Drag that over there. Okay. So the numbers on this here. I'm sorry, I just can't see my mouse at all. Okay, so the test steps entered for numbers random. Oh my god, this. Sorry, no, that should be wrap text. Let's find it. Okay, that's fine. Test data. I put in the numbers 5, 6, 8, and 3. The expected result was 2.5. The actual result was 3. I stated is no. Okay, so it's gonna go to this next one here. Sorry again, I cannot see my mouse. Gonna run this, and this is gonna find out my max and my min. So put in the numbers 9, 3, 4, sorry, 6. Oh, sorry. Just gonna restart that again. Run that again. I clicked the wrong button. There we go. Okay. So 6, 9, 2, 3. So again, entered four numbers at random. Just want to make sure that's wrapped. Sorry, I can't see my mouse here at all. Okay. Okay, so them numbers were 6, 9, 2, and 3. Expected result was 6. Actual result was 0. That is that. No. Okay. Again, entered 4 numbers at random. Okay. Sorry, no. Wrap text. Sorry, hasn't selected that. Can't see it. There. Again, the numbers were 6, 9, sorry, 6, 9, 2, and 3. Expected result was 2. Actual result 0. So I'll just come back to my expected result there. And I'll just change that because that is wrong. So we get 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 equals 22 divided by 4, and that gives me 5.5. 5.5. So from my results, it shows that this is a fail. This has also failed, and this has also failed. And I'm just gonna fill this out. So we're just gonna go back here now, and we're gonna do another find average, another find max, and another find the minimum. So this is test case 1. It's also test case 1 and this is test case 1. Put this as my second test case. And same with this and same with that. Okay, so again, enter the random numbers, enter the random numbers, enter the random numbers, and it's going to wrap that. So I'm going to go back to test 1 here, start this program again and run it. So my first number will be 4, 7, 7, and a 9. So I'll come back here, put in 4, 7, 7, 9. My expected result, so it would be 4 plus 7, 9. Expected result would be 6.75. Actual result is 5. So that is another fail. So again, we'll run this one again for the find the max and the min. I put in 8, 9, 3, and 5. Again, it has given me 0. So for this, I'm going to put in 6, 8, 2, and 3. Sorry, that's the wrong one. The numbers I actually put in were 8, 9, 3, and 5. Expected result was 5. The result was 0, so that is again a fail. Now for the minimum, again 8, 9, 3, and 5. Expected result was 3. Actual result was 0. That is also a fail. Okay, so now I'm gonna go here to a Word document. It's gonna open up or insert a text box, table, like so. It's actually the wrong type of table. So we'll just get another table here, insert table. Don't need that many. Just going to do that again, sorry. Okay, sorry, just try that again. I'm getting the right table here for me. Sorry again, as I mentioned before, my mouse is jittering. So, on line 24, I think it was. Yep, line 24, I can outline the problem of there are two num2s in the average variable, and another problem is at 32, line 32. Sorry, line 32. The int total is set to 0, so that's another problem. Go over to test 2 now. Let's put in brackets here that is test 1. And in brackets here that is test 2. Now if you just bear with me as I go through the code. Just going to search for an error. Okay, so they are the errors that I have come across in them tests on them programs. I am now going to insert my UML diagram. Bear with me. Sorry, that is not meant to be in there. Let's try that again because there we go. Yeah. So I'll just zoom in on this because it's a bit far out. It's too close. So on my UML diagram here we can see that after the user enters a value, it is meant to work out the average, then the max, and then the min, and loop back around. However, in my findings, that is not true, as there was errors in this program.